The iPhone Special Edition has always been a unique fixture in Apple's lineup, blending nostalgia with practicality through its compact design, physical home button, and Lightning port. However, as technology evolves, even this classic model must adapt. Recent leaks reveal that Apple is preparing to phase out the Special Edition name, replacing it with something entirely new, the iPhone 16e. This shift marks the end of an era and the dawn of a new chapter in Apple's story. For years, the tech community has speculated about the future of the iPhone Special Edition. Some predicted a mini version of the iPhone 13, while others envisioned a larger model with older components. However, a fresh wave of details from a trusted source points to a different narrative. The iPhone 16e, rumored to debut in 2025, is set to feature a modern design reminiscent of the iPhone 14. It's expected to include an OLED display, an action button, and sleek color options like white, presenting a significant upgrade from the traditional Special Edition aesthetic. The decision to retire the Special Edition branding and adopt the 16e name is intriguing. It raises questions about the significance of the E in the new name. Is it for evolution or perhaps economy? Apple has a history of keeping us guessing, much like their $3,500 virtual reality headset announcement. The likely reasoning for this rebrand lies in the features the iPhone 16e is rumored to bring. With advancements such as Face ID, an action button, and a 48-megapixel camera, the term Special Edition might no longer fit. The E could symbolize a fresh approach while differentiating it from the flagship iPhone lineup. Under the hood, the iPhone 16e is said to be powered by the A18 chip, paired with 8 gigabytes of RAM and equipped with an OLED display featuring a 60Hz refresh rate. The inclusion of MagSafe and the long-awaited USB Type-C port further signals Apple's commitment to modernization. All of this is rumored to come at a price of $500 to $550, significantly more affordable than the flagship iPhone 16. However, this lower price is expected to come with some trade-offs. For example, the iPhone 16e may retain the classic notch rather than adopting Apple's more advanced dynamic island design. It's also likely to feature a single rear camera instead of the dual-camera setup found on premium models. These compromises balance cost-effectiveness with innovation, making the 16e a middle ground between budget and premium Apple devices. Timing is another fascinating aspect of this launch. The iPhone 16e is expected to be unveiled in March alongside iOS 18.3. This update is anticipated to deliver the final wave of Apple's promised artificial intelligence features. Aligning the release of the 16e with a major software update could underscore Apple's strategy of combining cutting-edge technology with broader accessibility. If these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 16e could redefine entry-level Apple devices. A phone priced at around $500, offering modern internals, a 48-megapixel camera, and access to Apple's latest software, presents an appealing proposition. It challenges the notion that high performance and advanced features must come at a premium price. As we look ahead, the iPhone 16e holds the potential to shake up the smartphone market by blurring the lines between affordability and innovation. Whether it lives up to the hype remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: Apple has captured our attention once again. Stay tuned for updates, and we'll catch you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.